Hi, fifth graders. Today I'm going to be showing you how to write a citation for your bibliography. So the first thing that you're going to want to list is the author's name. Now, we used a book in class by James Bow for the legislative branch. So you're going to do first name, last name, and then you're going to do the title. What is the legislative branch? That was our title. And then I'm going to do the copyright date, 2013. Now, if you're using a website, you can just write, if you don't know the author's name, you can write the website's name. So one website that I used was ducksters.com, and the title of the web page or the web article was United States Government Legislative Branch Congress. And the copyright at the bottom of the page said 2020. You could also include the copy and paste the link into your citation if you used a site that was different than one of the couple sites that we had listed. If you have any questions, email us. There's also going to be a written example that you could look back at too. Thanks, and we'll see you later.